Skitty. Today, guys, I'm gonna be washing my bike because it's so dirty. I'm gonna just go in and get some soap. So I just got the soap to clean my bike. Look how dirty it is. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So I'm just scribbling it down with some soap, as you can see. And then, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but there's some smoke that's coming out because of how hot the engine is. But yeah, just scrub. Have it on the other side. But yeah, I'm gonna scrub and I'll put some water and I'll be done. Look how dirty my under fender is, or whatever it's called. Alright, peace. I'll catch you later. Spray it down now. Okay. Whoa. I don't know if you can see it, alright, I'll show you when I'm done. So I just finished cleaning my bike. It's really clean now. So yeah, bye.